Hi guys, Dan for BBC Learning English here with this week's Learner Question. Find out what it is after this. Okay, this week's Learner Question comes from Christina Gutierrez, and she says, first of all, congratulations on your splendid programs at BBC Learning English. Thank you so much. They are both entertaining and useful. Good, that's what we want them to be. I'd like to know what's the exact difference in usage between what and which at the beginning of direct questions. Well, Christina, as you command, so we obey. Now, both are often possible with very little difference. For example, what or which is your favorite food, or which or what is the best program on TV at the moment. When we feel we have a limited number of choices, we prefer which. So with a menu, which dessert shall we have? Or when looking at a multiple choice test, which one is the answer? On the other hand, what is used when we feel we have an unlimited number of choices? So for example, what shall we have for dinner? Or, what's the answer to this question? Both can be used as determiners in direct question when talking about people or things. They're always followed by nouns though. So when looking at a line of cars, I might say, which car is yours? But in general, I could ask, what car do you drive? In talking about people, we can use which to ask about identity and what to ask about job. For example, there's a group of people over there. Which is your friend? Or, Tim's a lawyer. What's James? I hope that answers your question, Christina. Thank you very much for contacting us. If anybody else out there has a question about English they'd like answered, you can email us on learning.english@bbc.co.uk. Please remember to include learners' questions in the subject line and your name and your country. You can also go to our website, bbclearningenglish.com. I've been Dan, and I'll see you next time on Learners' Questions.